Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Tip Nest. In today's video, we're covering a quick but super useful tip: how to rename your Google Doc. Whether you accidentally left it as Untitled Document or just want a clearer title, renaming is really simple. Let's get started. First, open the Google Docs app on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. From the homepage, select the document you want to rename. Once you've opened the document, look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the screen and click on them. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see the Rename option. Tap on it. A new page will appear where you can enter the new name for your document. Once you've typed in the new title, click Rename. And that's it. Your document will be renamed instantly. See, that was super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs tips to keep your documents organized and easy to find. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.